I don't know what it is with the Scottish. What is it with them and going low points? This is another 500-point list, and not actually for the event that I covered last video about Scotland. This is for a small club event, 500 points, and this is from Craig Brown, the TO of the WTC. He has been building his army, which I just might show you how he's doing. He's building a long-range desert group army, and he is. Let me just show you just a sec. He sent me some pictures of his progress. Here we go. So this is what he's actually finishing up right now. This is all washed down, and then he gave it a lot of grime. This is the complete army build, by the way. Let me just see if I can find what I wanted to show. Yeah, here's he's making a wreck for each of his vehicles, just in case they get wrecked, which is kind of nice of him. But that's not necessary for you to do, but it really does bring out the vehicles, doesn't it? Notice the bullet holes in this one here. Don't know if you can see it right. Yeah, like that. Look at that. Isn't that lovely? It's really cool build. Lovely army here. You can see the trucks with the long range desert group gathered around. The SAS, the early SAS, some of them in German uniforms over here with a German truck. They try to hide. Right. So that is what he's building, and look, he's got one wreck for each of his vehicles, except the German one. What's with that, Craig? Right. Now, what he's building is for 500 points. He's building this army. So let's see. I can see some motorcycles over here. Lovely, and a 25-pounder, I guess. An air observer, rifleman, maybe. Let's go and see what it is. That's a lovely model. He's really good at bases, isn't he? I should send some of my models to him and let him make scenic bases for me. Right. But he's also sent me his list. Here we go. 8 order dice, 495 points, so just enough points for a final SMG somewhere. 8 order dice at 500 points is pretty good, by the way. That's not, it's very low point count, isn't it? He's got a regular second lieutenant. It doesn't need to be regular, but I know some people prefer this just because it makes him a little bit more survivable. It also makes him more expensive, but 9-man units of infantry, skirmish riflemen. Lovely chunky units. At 500 points, I think you can go up and buy a little bit of more chunky units, because you're going to need some staying power in your infantry, because that's all you're going to get. Rapid fire for his national characteristic, which is why he's got 9 men in each unit. That means he's got 3 extra shots per unit as long as he stays alive. A Bofors gun, 2 shots, really cool, very good. Early war motorcycle, early war motorcycle, early war motorcycle. I thought it was a howitzer. Wasn't that a howitzer he was building? That looks like a howitzer. Anyways, he's taking a Bofors gun. I don't understand that one. These early war motorcycles are really good skirmisher units. Very good. They can really mess up the enemy's plans. So, yeah. The only thing that this lacks is some anti-tank capability, I think. But it has the weapons to deal with enemy infantry. Lovely little list. Thank you so much, Greg, and good luck with building that and fielding it. Let me know how you did. Cheers.